Kibazo ni mwumva jya muri Google wandikemo agasobanuye films.com bebe yaje kuri no agarara hano kuri etage katorore twigarukire mu Bufaransa turacyari mu Burayi hano bahita Paris ku munara kuri Carouage turi Paris mu Bufaransa umwana w'umukobwa uriyo tambutse gutya waturutse imbere ye bene twamubonye muri babandi babana biswe ngo naba stagiaire do rebye inyuma ye runduriyo ibigabo bireba gutyo by'ibiribwe ibigabo byababaye umwana arahindukira do rubanza ariyambura bamwise code name ni daga icyuma code name ni bugita arabara icyuma rabe batarara si icyuma kobwa muto 10 kuri icyuma kikihuta kurusha isasu do rabe baga bangutse do jejeje cyuma kobwa kuri icyuma rabe hari uwagisamye umugenzi we aragisamye sha turi mu ikipe imwe love urinde
I'm with Catalyst
banyita Catalyst do abanzara na mutabara turi mu ikipe imwe
we should probably go
dufite kugenda nabana bato bose bambu ababyeyi babona ba mama babajyana kubarera muri porogaramu yabatoje kuba imashini zica bebe do ni mashini zica zigenda jewe ngende imashini isobanura mpamvu munda kwikungiranya n'ababana hano mujya mukora amakosa ariko nimba munguruhera umujyi undi ribu yagiye bafatika bapima usiko nje mbona mufata izina rya Kimomo mukajya nk'ahantu mukandika ngari Kimomo ngo nabarunaka ibaze buri gihe mbabwira ko abanzi batangereranye abamenye batanshidikanyaho urebe azana muragereranye indege nisho indege na Cotex tuvera tugaruke yakorino barakwereka kuri FSB hamwe twatangiriye umukobwa ari kwica abakozi b'ikigo cy'ubutasi cy'abarusiya wahaje abarusiya bateranye bari gufutura imirambo yabo
we would never do this
bino bintu ntabwo twigize tubikora
not to children
kubana bacu babiri
whatever lie
wibwira ibinyoma byose ushaka
comfortable
biri butume wumva utekanye agent Korikochevo
don't have the internship
ariko impamvu tutagifite icyitwa stage
our attempt
nuko twabigerageje bigapfa
are you being serious
kuko urakomeje muri seri
is serious
cyiteka muri ndi seri
our poor interns they lost their minds
twateragereje gukora porogaramu yari yiswe stage abastageri bacu kari bane babura ubwenge batakaza ubwenge kuko yari porogaramu ifata ibana ikabagira mashini yica hari gihe rero umuntu mutoza akabura ubwenge abana bane bacu twari twafashe twabagize abastageri ngo batakaje ubwenge baricana ndetse bicana babayoboraga iyo porogaramu twese tuyihagarika ndetse abo twari twaratoje bose turabiyicira byapfiriye
the program is destroyed
porogaramu yacu nk'abarusiya ya stage imaze guhagarara
copied every detail
zose twazanditsemo hano
the handwritten notes
harimo n'umukono nyirizina Brian nyirizina
don't interrupt
wica mu ijambo agent Korikochevo
we did
ibyo twakoze byose ntago byagenze neza aho twananiriwe abanyamerika bo barahagurutse barabikora ibyari byatunaniye bivuze ngo abarusiya nabo bakoze wa mushinga niyo mpamvu mbafashemo agapoze wo gufata abana bakiri batonya bakabatoza ngo bagire imashini zica abana birangira bicanye porogaramu yabo irapfa ni porogaramu yari yiswe stage ariko ngo umushinga abarusiya ubananiye abanyamerika bo bahise bawubyutsa barawukora nabo bafata utwana duto badukoremo imashini zica abanyamerika bo barabishoboye ingaruka rero zakurikiye iyo porogaramu yongeye itangiye gukora nona akazi kanjye akazi kawe rero karagira kati nimba twebwe twarakoze abana b'abastageri porogaramu yacu ikanga tugomba gukora uko dushoboye nk'abarusiya n'abanyamerika iyo porogaramu ntibayigire niyo gahunda.
And how do I do it?
Ndabikora gute rero?
Use your imagination.
Koresha ibitekerezo byawe.
The entire
Umustajeri
is traveling.
waje akica abantu muri kino kigo cyacu cy'ubutasi ari kujya muri New York.
Are you sure?
Urabizi neza ko ari hari?
Right.
And we
Cyane.
have an agent.
Aba agent dufite yose.
And more.
Well, we have our
Umva,
sources
twe dufite aho dukura amakuru. Vlad
for orders.
witwa ngo ni Vlad niwe ukwiye kujya kureba akaguha amabwiriza. Kujya kureba witwa Vlad muri Amerika New York. Tugaruke kuri Central Intelligence Agency Langley Virginia aho CIA ikorera. Nabo bahagurutse bafite ifoto y'wa mwana w'umukobwa. Umustajeri. Umugore w'injira.
Wanted to see me, sir?
Ngo mwashaka kumbona nyakubahwa.
Come on in.
Injira.
Dick Jones,
Witwa Dick Jones uramuzi?
Director of
Ni
Operations.
Deputy Director of Operations.
Agent Dalton,
Agent Dalton.
you have a remarkable reputation.
Wa mugore ufite izina ryiza cyane n'ibigwi.
I like that.
Zo gukemura ibibazo byananiye abandi.
It's the reason why I'm about to put you right in the middle of
Niyo
one.
mpamvu ngo wamagaye ngo ngushyire mu yindi situation nyine yananiye abandi uyikemure.
Tell me, what have you heard about the
Tubwire icyitwa internship wacyumvishe iki?
The basics.
Numvishe ibintu bike by'ibanze.
It was started by former director of operations.
Ngo iyi ni gahunda ya stage yari yatangijwe n'uwahoze ari Director of Operations hano muri CIA,
Henry Byrne.
Henry Byrne.
The program was used to weaponize children.
Yari porogaramu yo gufata abana batonya tukabagira intwaro. Bya bindi nyine Amerika iri kuvuga ngo ibisirikare ngo byo muri Afurika bimwe na bimwe ngo bikoresha abana bataruzuza imyaka. CIA yari yaratangiye gahunda yo gufata abana bakiri bato bakabagira intwaro.
CIA.
Bikozwe na CIA
Byrne went rogue and
kugeza igihe wari waratangije iyo internship ari we Byrne
was abandoned.
yaje kwigomeka ku gihugu
Ship
abivamo.
Byrne's death
Iyo porogaramu irarangira bitewe nuko wari wayitangije yapfuye.
and implemented their own version. They too had,
Abarusiya nabo batangije ro porogaramu yabo.
eventually it was
Yabo
abandoned.
ntiyagenze neza.
less than 48 hours
Mu
ago?
masaha 48 ashize
The name of Rennie
umwe mu bastajeri bita Ren
James, codename Catalyst,
bakunze kwita ngo ni codename ya Catalyst
showed up at Ephesus.
yagiye ku biro bya FSB muri Moscow
After an absolute shit show
nyuma yo kwica abantu bari bariyo.
of sensitive information
Catalyst yibye amakuru afatika.
to the location of the remaining interns.
What kind of leads?
Yakuyeyo amakuru ashobora kumugeza mu bandi bastajeri bandi.
The things,
Icyari ni
dark web email addresses.
yabandikiye kuri email twe tudashobora kuba twakwaccessinga.
Obviously,
And what happened?
Byagenze bite?
we never received a single
Nta
reply.
yandi makuru turakira.
Went to
Abastajeri twe twagerageje kubandikira ntibadusubiza.
Dark after Burns' death.
Nyuma y'uko umuyobozi w'abapfuye abastajeri bose baburiwe irengero.
In the cold.
CIA irababura kandi ariyo yari yatangije iyo operasiyo.
Nobody's heard from them in all of these years.
Hashize imyaka nta muntu uzaba stajeri aho bari. Niba abana bato twabonye.
CIA psychiatrists have examined
Psychiatrist wa CIA yatubwiye ko uyu mukobwa akurikije ukuntu amureba
build a substitute family
ashobora kuba ari guhuza bari abana bose bakuranye nawe mu cyitwa internship kugira ngo abahuze bamubere famiye atigeze agira.
You mean the one that was stolen from?
Oya cyamura avuga ahubwo famiye mwamwibye. Kuko ntago ari famiye atigeze agira ahubwo famiye mwamwambuye.
Nobody likes what was done to these children.
Twese ntago twishimiye ibyakorewe aba
without
bana.
any control. We have
Bano bana bari ku muhanda nta kuntu torori bafite.
to shut them down.
Tugomba kubahagarika burundu.
Ask why you want me for
None se ngiye mumpamagariye iki?
There are better people suited for
Hari
this.
abandi bagakoze kano kazi batari
The
njye.
others with more experience.
Hari ibindi byinshi dukeneye ku muntu ufite experience nk'iyawe.
For this job, agent.
Niwe muntu ufite ubumenyi bwakora aka kazi.
Things you need to know.
Hari ibindi bintu birukwiye kumenya. Icyambere
We believe there's a Russian mole, codenamed Phantom.
turakeka ko ari umugambanyi wo mu Rusiya witwa codename yitwa ngo ni Phantom.
Second,
Cya kabiri
Rennie James,
Rene James ura mwana w'umukobwa wabonye
codenamed Catalyst,
wita ngo ni codename ya Catalyst.
is your daughter.
Ni umukobwa wawe wibyariye mama we. Urebe mukobwa wanjye uyu ni umugore ukorera CIA. Umwana we nawe bamushyize muri ya porogaramu ya internship. Ya tugaruka yitwa Peterson muri New Jersey. Ubundi New Jersey iri muri New York niho turi. Ukibaza ngo nabimenye nde narahageze. Bayita kiburi ya ndege. Ukomeza ukanga abantu ngo wagiye ahantu. Nabyo ntago bitwika. Bayita kiburi ya ndege. Yakurikiwe. Urebe filime. Ugeze hano wamukurikiye baramugonga. Warumukurikiye baramugonga. Uyavayo.
Come with me if
Ngwino
you
tujyane
live.
nimba ushaka kubaho.
Seriously?
Koko
I always wanted to say that.
nahoraga iteka nifuza kuzavuga iryo jambo. Ngwino tujyane nimba wifuza kubaho. ubwo n'abantu barebye filime yitwa Terminator Schwarzenegger nikabwira kakara aje kugatwara ati naho ziteka nifuza iryo jambo kuzaribwira umuntu nanjye ngo ntwike injira tugende babandi byose babimenya bati binjira mu modoka berekere Marikano binjira hano bihuse cyane bahindura imodoka Rebe Washington DC ubundi ni muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika Aruriyo ari kwitekera hano ubutunga ngegera
Hello?
wa mugore wa CIA twabonye yaje kureba uno mugabo Hello?
Hey.
Bite?
Oh.
We
Nelson.
Nelson Janice
Hi.
baraziranye
Hi.
Bite
What brings you around here?
Iki kuze nyano
I'm hungry and I heard you make a mean burger.
Yeah, I do.
Nenje kumva kukora agaporezo numva kamera ntaribi
This is not right about this picture.
ariko iyi shusho ari ikintu kidasa neza uburyo uri guteka kuba ndi guteka ntibisa
You
neza
know the story.
urabizi inkuru yanjye
Fired.
narirukanwe
No hearing.
nta kuburana
Pension.
nta pansiyo
No. Thank you for your service, Nelson.
banyirukanye muri CIA barambwira gusa ngo warakoze kubwo kuba warakoreye igihugu cyawe by Nelson
That's what happens when you knock your boss on it.
niko bigenda ariko iyo ukubise boss wawe bakwirukana nta nimerekeza yakubise boss y'igipfunsi baramwirukana ni Nelson yahoze akora CIA
That's because Dick Jones is an asshole.
no kubera ko Dick Jones ari ikigori cyane mpamvu
Did
namukubise
you really picture yourself flipping burgers on it?
wigeze wifotora se uri guteka
Probably not.
baga mu modoka
know what?
Ibaze, buri muntu ujya gukora muri CIA bafite ubumenyi buhambaye shaba ari umuntu urenze uhambaye ariko iyo bakwirukanye nyine bakora uko bashoboye ntugire n'ahandi ubona akazi ubwo uhita ujya guteka baga ku muhanda
Therapeutic.
ya Jano
Hungry?
urashonje we kamwe wumva ibyo neka se
I'll eat.
sawa
I'm telling you.
ndakwiyungaho bari umuntu ufite ubumenyi bwinshi ku buryo atakaba yateka ku muhanda aba yarize neza afite ubwenge afite ubumenyi afite amakuru
Now.
yaje kwicara hano nawe urabyumva CIA igiye kurokirita nyine
Something wrong with that picture?
kuba narindi hariya se bitwaye ikimbwira
You ever think you could have handled it differently?
wigeze utekereza ko kubita boss yari kubikemura mu bundi buryo yego
And I remember how much of an asshole Dick Jones is and know that I'd do it again in a heartbeat.
yemba numva boss wanjye kwera ukuntu ari ikigori n'ubu bungiye bakansubiza mu kazi namukubita
Can't be bought.
shamenya utagurwa pe ni umugabo mbega udaca ku ruhande
It's a good burger.
iyi baga iraryoshye ndabizi
Keep eating.
komeza urye komeza urye
I need someone I can trust.
nyine umuntu nakwizera
Whoa.
oh
Sounds ominous.
It is. I'm not really sure I can trust anybody in this world.
sinzi ko hari undi muntu nakwizera muri iyi si utari wowe
But somehow I trust you.
ariko weho mu buryo bumwe ndakwizeye
Right?
okay
And there's something I didn't tell you.
hari ikintu ntigeze nkubwira kera ni igiki utambwira
17,
mfite imyaka 17
way before you and me.
mbere yuko nkundana nawe tumenyana nari naratwite
And I wasn't ready to be.
banteye inda niteguye kuba umubyeyi umwana ndamutanga baramwadobuta muri oruferina nyuma nza guhura nawe turamenyana turakundana imyaka ya 17 bano bagore mumenyana mujye mukurikirana amakuru
And I just found out who.
ubu rero naje kumenya ngo umukobwa wanjye n'indi aramumwereka wa mukobwa twabonye w'umwicanyi yabyaye indwanyi
And I need your help
nyine ubufasha bwawe
before the Russians do.
ngo umenye umukobwa wanjye ahantu hari abarusiya bataramugeraho fasha mubona abarusiya bataramugeraho urebe tugaruke New York nito Odessa muri Brooklyn nari ngiye kuyigarura kiburiya ndege ariko reka nceceke urebe haruriyo ni wa murusiya ibintu nugukabya rwose pe wa murusiya yamaze kugera muri Amerika uyu bamwohereje ngo yice bari abana baba stajeri CIA itazongera ikabakoresha nimba umurusiya we gukore abastajeri be byarapfuye n'umunyamerika ntatunga abastajeri twese tuburi iyo porogaramu kuko umunyamerika iyo hari ikintu agezeho kiri hejuru umurusiya biramubangamira baba babarana baterana imibare yaje muri misa kigera muri Amerika aza imbere ya padiri n'umupadiri w'umunyamerika.
Bless me, Father,
Mpumugisha padi
for I am about to sin.
kubera ko ngiye gukora icyaha. Abandi basaba imbabazi kubera ko bakoze icyaha, uyu waje gusaba ngo imbabazi kubera ko agiye gukora icyaha.
Then tell me you were
Ntabwo bari bambwiye kuri buze kuza. Kumva uyu mupadiri nawe ni maneko w'Abarusiya.
finished with the KGB.
Nari nzi ko narangizanyije n'abana maneko z'Abarusiya mu cyitwa KGB.
Finished?
Urangiza?
You are never finished with this.
Izi gahunda tubamo z'ubutasi ntizijya zirangira.
Bano.
Wakabaye ubizi.
And we are FSB, not KGB.
Ubu twagarutse nka FSB, ntabwo tukiri KGB. Ikigo cy'ubutasi cyahoze cyitwa KGB cy'Abarusiya ubu cyitwa FSB.
What is the difference?
Itandukaniro ni irihe?
2 letters.
Ni inyuguti ebyiri. FS ntabwo ziri muri KGB, habamo BB, ubwo kuri byombi biratandukanye, bitandukaniye ku nyuguti ebyiri.
We require
Urebe,
assistance.
twari dukeneye umusada wawe, hari utuntu yamweretse hano.
Men,
Dukeneye abasore,
Weapon.
intwaro, imodoka, byose turabishaka.
May I ask?
Nakubaza, ubikeneye ryari?
Today.
Uyu munsi.
This is extremely
Ariko nawe waba unyihutishije uyu munsi, urumva bishoboka urantunguye. Ikigabo kimureba urujisho. Padiri arikanga bano.
We will manage.
Ariko umuntu yagerageza da.
There is a
Hari
bed on the street
hari kantine iri hara hanze.
there in 15 minutes.
Tuhahurire mu minota 15.
In with a man named Yuri.
Urahasanga umugabo witwa Yuri. Ngaho mu mugisha rero.
so we look like good people.
Kugira ngo abaturage babone ko turi abantu beza batadukeka, bagire ngo uri padiri muzima. Guhaye umugisha Imana iguha umugisha baba padiri mubona boherezwa mu bihugu hirya no hino babari ba maneko. Yey. Yeah. Tugaruke Washington DC. Harabariyo. Ni muzunzu bumwe.
So what do you know about the internship?
Iriya porogaramu bita internship yiziki. Ntabwo ari byinshi.
It was an agency program that went off the rails.
Cyonzi cyo ni porogaramu yatangiye nyuma y'igihiza kwanga, barayifunga.
It did.
Yego.
So,
None se
this young girl.
umwana w'umukobwa ukiri muto.
Daughter.
Umukobwa wanjye.
Sorry.
Umbabarira umukobwa wawe.
So, your daughter, somehow.
Umukobwa wawe se nawe yaba ari muri iyo porogaramu.
And I have no idea
Yego, ariko nanjye sinari mbizi.
where she was until 24 hours.
Maze amasaha 24 menyeho umukobwa wanjye ari sinari nzo yagiye.
When I had my kid.
Ntumwite uno mwana, nanjye nari umwana muto.
To some,
Ababyeyi banjye banyirukanye mu rugo ngo ndatwite.
I didn't know what to do.
Sinari nzi cyo gukoresha umwana nabyaye.
And joined the
Namutanze muri oruferina nigira mu gisirikare.
and then I ended
Ndangije igisirikare njya kwiga, maze kwiga njya muri CIA
like you.
kimwe nawe. Niho twahuriye mu gisirikare.
I'm guessing
Ndakeka
daughter ended up in the internet.
agakobwa kawe rero bivuze ngo waragatanze ngo bakadobote birangira kisanze muri gahunda ya gahunda nyine yo gurokirita abana batonya CIA.
Cruel, it would seem.
Ewa nibihe nibibi pe.
And now the CIA wants
None ubu CIA
alive.
umwana wanjye aramushaka ari muzima cyari umupfu.
want her.
Abarusiya bo barashaka umwana wanjye ari umupfu.
I really need you to help me.
Ndagira ngo mfashe mbona umukobwa wanjye mbere yuko ibintu biba bibi.
With the Russians.
Kuki Abarusiya bifuza ko umukobwa wawe apfa?
It makes sense. Think about it. I mean,
Birasobanutse.
the Russians tried to start up their own.
Abarusiya nabo bagerageje gutangira porogaramu yabo yo gutoza abana.
Now they're worried they're
Iranga.
going to reboot ours.
Yanze rero bari gutekereza ko twebwe dushobora kuba tugiye kuyikomeza yacu dukoresheje aba bana.
All right. So,
Impamvu bifuza kubica.
if the Russians are going to come here
Nimba Abarusiya bagiye kuza hano
after her,
bakiruka inyuma y'umukobwa we bakamuhiga.
they're going to send somebody that's good.
Hari umuntu nzi bashobora kohereza w'umuhanga. Ninde?
It's an old friend of mine.
Umuntu Abarusiya bashobora kohereza muri Amerika n'inshuti yanjye ya kera.
He's good at his job.
Ni umuhanga mu kazi ke.
We have had a
Je
discussion.
niyo nshuti y'Umurusiya rero dufite ibintu tutumvikanyeho. Ni ibiki mutumvikanyeho bisobanure?
So the last time that I saw him,
Ni ibintu tutumvikanyeho ku buryo ubwo duherukana.
kill me.
Yari ari kugerageza kunyica nubwo ari kumwita inshuti ya kera, urumva ko ahubwo ari abanzi ba kera b'Umurusiya bahari banganye. Aho ni sawa. Niwe muntu bashobora kohereza wenyine. Tugaruka yitwa Little Odessa muri Brooklyn. Hari cafe ihari, cafe Alexei, kantine. Wa Murusiya yamaze kuhagera ari muri Amerika tayari. Yicara hano. Rebe. Padiri ava yari kumwe na Yantare. Zanye na Yantare padiri. Padiri aheruka gukorana n'Abarusiya kera. Ikigo cyabo cy'ubutasi cyitwa KGB.
Yuri was wondering if you...
Yuri yibazaga nimba utagenda ukazagaruka ejo kuko uri kunyihutisha unshyiraho puresha. Yaraseka. Padiri sasa nagashaka kubafasha ahubwo yahise azana bounce.
You better go.
Val ugende.
He's very busy.
Uyu munsi padiri arahuze. Jejeje utwara umena wa yanara umugabo si ubutumbi. Padiri ahitacho.
We'll see you now.
Tuzabonana uyu munsi. Wiba muhagurutse. Muteke ndihagurutse.
Moment.
Maya kanya.
Yes.
Yego.
Is a young CIA
Uwo muhanganye ni umunyesaye bita analyst w'umukobwa witwa Janice.
former CIA operative.
Uwo muhanganye rero bari bagutumye wa CIA nga guhiga yagiye gusaba ubufasha wa CIA operative
Nelson Bates.
witwa Nelson Bates.
She was once his lover.
Bahuze bakundana kera.
We have
Ndamuzi
history.
dufitanye amateka.
Do you let him
Ndabizi muraziranye. Waramuretse abaho
Not die easily.
kubera ko adapfa byoroshye.
easily?
Buri muntu apfa byoroshye.
Try hard.
Ntabwo nuko utagerageje cyane ngo ushyiremo imbaraga.
Right motivation.
Ukeneye rero motivasiyo ifatika.
For the intern.
Ngiye ukoherereza aderese z'aho wasanga abo ngaba abo bana.
And I am the only one who needs.
Ayo makuru yakuye y'aho abana bari ni njye njyenyine ukwiye kumenya aho ayo makuru yavuye.
Get on with your work.
We kora akazi turakurangira abana bari ujye kubica. Rebe bamuhaye location y'aho abana bari ngajye kubica. Abana bari muri cabin iri ahantu mu ishyamba, ari bwa buzuba mu ishyamba muri New York. Rebe barakwereka kuri no muri upstate New York. Bana baraparitse bavayo, umwe yaje ku kabanyuro ke. Urebe hano ari gukina n'ibyuma, ari gukina n'ibinini.
Salutations.
Ndabaramukije.
And salutation.
Uraturamukije.
What's web, idiot?
And you would know that, right? Because you're what?
Imyaka ingahe?
I don't know, I think it was...
11.
I like Charlotte's Web.
I'm sorry. I didn't know this was going to be the children's hour.
Ntabwo rebizi ko ari amasaha y'abana.
If you get shot
Mfite imyaka 18.
or in any way mutilated or spindled, I'm gonna be the best friend you have.
Nugera ahantu kurasa bikakunanira ninjye uzagutabara kuko nkoresha ibyuma.
Hi guys.
Bite basoro ya Jean.
Thank you for being here, really.
Mwakoze kwa muri
I
hano.
already met her, Pop Carey, meet everyone.
Apotekari ntabwo mwahuye nawe nuriya.
So, so this is Rubicon,
Uyu ni Rubicon.
Dagger.
Uramwita Daga. Bonsoir.
Bring a knife to a gun.
Iyo tugenda n'ibyuma abantu muri iyi minsi barwanisha imbunda.
Diamond knife as an adventure.
Hari igihe ibyuma bikora kurusha imbunda wamukinga ahita abanza kimukubita hagati y'amaguru icyuma arebe neza ukuntu cyihuta.
Would you like to see that again?
Nongere ngwere ukuntu icyuma gikoramo.
Nah.
Yaho buretse.
Good.
Meze neza kabisa winyereka.
This is Analyst,
Uyu ni analyst.
Nice to meet you all.
Byiza guhura namwe.
and I'm Renee.
Jye banyita Rene.
Big guy.
Uriya ni nde se?
I'm Caliber,
Banyita Kaliba.
kid.
Wakana we wagapeti we.
No one here was ever a kid.
Nta muntu muri twe wigeze abaho umwana.
They took away our childhood.
Ubuto bwacu barabutwibye.
Remember what they put us all through?
Muribuka ibyo batunyujijemo. Babareze n'aba bana babarebeshaga hasi amaguru ari hejuru bakakubwira ngo mara amasaha 5 amaguru ari hejuru umutwe uri hasi. Nta buto bazi barabubibye. Se yarabafashe ibarera ari bakira abana bagira imashini zica.
Fight trained us to kill.
Badutoje kurwana hagati yacu badutoza kwica.
So, you know, we can choose to hide and
Twahisemo kwihisha.
we're something that we're not, or we can
Uko mwari mwarabikoze mukajya kwihisha mu kazi katari akanyu twabikomeza
what we're capable of.
cyangwa se tukereka isi icyo dushoboye.
You guys are like the closest to a family.
Murabizi mwese nimwe famiye ya hafi nzi twareranywe nta bandi nzi.
Hiding.
Ndambiwe kwihisha.
What about you?
Mwebwe.
You've really been practicing that speech, haven't you?
Ariko maze iminsi witoza kuzatubwira rino jambo. Yego. Vuze ijambo ryiza. Kandi imashini zica ntago zivuga ijambo ryiza. Vuga amaze iminsi ari ryitoza ukuntu azababwira. Urebe aho bari mu ishyamba wibuke hamenyekanye. Raje ategura hano akantu k'agacyayi mwakira icyayi.
My own blend, everyone. Enjoy.
It's delicious.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Yeah.
Baje kunywa mu baganire.
Nice slippers, man.
Mwana wambaye slipa nziza.
They're comfy.
Mwana ariko ziri comfy.
Anyone?
Hakundi we hari umuntu ukunda. Oya.
You guys kind of know a little bit about me.
Yes, musa nkaho munsi narabandikiye.
Why don't we just take this time to go around the room.
kuki tutafata umwanya ngo twibwirane ibyo umuntu yabagamo
Just keep it to the.
buri umwe akanavuga ibyo ashoboye.
Okay, yeah, I'll go first. My name's
Kanihereho
Codename Apothecary.
banyita Julie, codename
Mostly in New York. I think I'm Jewish.
nkeka ko ndi umuyahudi.
Old I was when I first entered the internship.
ninjiye muri gahunda ya stage
I was working with these.
maze kwanga njya gukora muri ambasade y'abanyayisiraheli fotora
Behalf, I took out a number of highlights
baza kuntuma ku banzi b'igihugu cya Isiraheli
that I put in there.
ndangije njya kubiba amadosiye abo n'ibyo amadosiye nabahaye icyayi bamaze kukinywa bose barapfa kandi niwe umaze kubaseriva icyayi ubutwe iki turi kunywa kiratekanye urugero abantu mu byayi.
Relax. It wasn't these herbs.
Oya imiti nakoresheje ndoga bayandi bantu ntago ariyo irimo hano bahise batereka amatasi hasi.
Miss Chloe.
Sinanjye ni Chloe banyita Daga.
I think I'm French.
Nkeka ko ndi umufaransa.
No, for sure.
ariko simbizi neza.
Sound like it.
nuko numva mvuga nk'abafaransa.
My early years in the internship.
namaze imyaka muri internship
Working.
irangiye nisanga mu Faransa
Until I was ordered to kill him.
banyohereza kujya gukora muri cabinet y'abafaransa baza kumbwira ngo nakoreraga mwice.
Voilà. C'est moi.
C'est moi. Uwo ni we njye.
At the time, I was known as Elliot.
Njye kera banyitaga Elliot.
Gone for a long while now.
ariko batangira kujya banyita codename ya Rubicon.
My story's not particularly romantic.
Inkuru yanjye ntago ari y'urukundo nta nubwo ishishikaje.
Finished most of my trip.
narangije imyitozo yanjye banyohereza mu Butaliyani.
After that, I was working with
nyuma
a
y'akazi banyohereza gukorera umukire cyane mu Bwongereza.
Hell of a lot.
uwo mukire anyigisha byinshi amfata nk'umwana we.
wasn't until he
uwo mukire
committed suicide.
aza kwiyahura.
Apparently.
nyine niko bigaragara ko bigaragara.
Let's just say I didn't kill him.
nyine kugira bitumvikana ko namwishe kandi yaramfataga nk'umwana we yarantoje buri kimwe byagaragaye ko yiyahuye. ubwo cyaramwishe abana batoje no kwica umuntu wakwitaye akagufata nk'umwana w'inkuru yawe imeze ite? twebwe rero
I'm Caliber.
Jendi Caliber.
I'm just good at hurting people.
Jendi umuhanga mu kubabaza abantu.
That's all.
Nibyo gusa mukwiye kumenyaho. Turashize. Usuri warakaye. Makuru bakwiye kumumenyaho nuko ari umuhanga mu kubabaza abantu.
Last but not least, our fluffy-toed friend here.
Reka tubaze inshuti yacu hano nayo twebwe.
I've got the basic intern skills.
Jewe mfite ubumenyi bukenya.
Vision, acute hearing,
gukoresha night vision, kumva ibintu abandi batumva, gukoresha iby'itumanaho.
money.
Ndi n'umuhanga mu by'amafaranga.
Understanding how it works.
Ndi umuhanga mu gutuma abantu basobanukirwa uburyo amafaranga akoramo. Buri hari igihe abantu bazi ngo bazi uburyo amafaranga akoramo ariko batabizi.
And they put me with a Russian attaché working
bankoresheje gukora n'abarusiya muri Philadelphia bakunda gukina urusimbi.
stock market.
nkagerageza kugusha isoko ry'imigabane ryabo.
That's where they place me.
aho niho banyohereje gukora.
My handler said I look Russian.
agent wamfashaga wa CIA na reportingaga wa handler wanjye yambwiye ko nsa nk'abarusiya niyo mpamvu banyohereje mu barusiya. yeah. kumbe barakwereka ya kafe. Nelson nawe yahise yizaho yahoze akorera CIA. sheri we wa kera yamusabye ubufasha ati mfasha mbona umukobwa wanjye w'umustajeri asaza muri ya kafe.
Hey, big man.
Big man.
Hey, man.
uzane meni ndebe sha icyo narya. Yanjiye mu barusiya n'umunyamerika. bafite ukuntu bano bantu babironda iyo bageze mu bihugu bafite amaresitora yabo yageramo ukabona kugeze mu bashinwa gusa mu barusiya. musore
Sitting in the wrong place.
nicaye ahantu hatariho.
Kitchen is closed.
Gikoni cyafunze. Uncle Austin.
Kinda looks open.
Genda mbona igikoni kigifunguye.
It's close to you.
banyita Austin igikoni kirafunze.
That sucks.
Birababaje.
You know what? Fuck that.
Urabizi murakijyaho.
I'm actually here to see
Je kureba witwa Vlad.
There is no blood here.
Nta Vlad tugira hano. Areba barusiya.
Place like this.
Ahantu nkaha.
There's always a Vlad.
haba hari Vlad uko byamera kose.
Talking about.
uwo mvuga kandi uramuzi.
Where they came from.
subiraho uturutse. batarayivuna niva bifunira rimwe. Ngambwira.
Call me. Alright? When you can talk again.
Mukira.
I guarantee you he's gonna want to talk to me.
Gire Vlad aze kumiga tuvugane. Yamukubise ingoto niva bivunira rimwe. CIA ibatoza ahantu amaje yabayakubita umuntu ntakakurateho ngarabyibushye. Mukomeze murye cyane namwe mbaho ibyanyu. Barusiya bikangamo umuntu ufatikije nk'iki akagikubita ahantu rimwe. Kumbe Vlad yarungurukaga. Na cyacicanye cyarebaga cyavuye mu Burusiya. Nako nta nubwo ari umwicanyi n'umukozi wa FSB ni ikigo cy'ubutasi cy'abarusiya. yagufasha arakwica.
Cab's taken.
We imodoka nayifashe uwo mwinjiranye baramufungirana.
I have a message for you.
ufitiye ubutumwa.
What's the message?
we butumwa.
It is a good night for you to curl.
iri ni ijoro ryiza ryo gucaho
Fireplace.
ugashaka ahantu ujya kwishyuhiriza harakonje,
Perhaps you should make pretend to turn on the stove.
cyangwa ukajya mu rugo ugacana ishyiga ryawe.
Go home.
jya mu rugo ntuzagaruke hano harakonje. gukora baramufu urebe Uburusiya bari baje kumukanga kubitiye Umurusiya aramwica, baje kumukanga ngo yongeye kubagendaho amufunagura mwica mu kanyaga ko guhumbya funagura kurame nyayamaramo. Nelson kingura umuryango, kingura umuryango. Amurusiya unera ubwoba umuntu wa CIA nawe n'umwicanyi yaramaze igihe yicururiza baga. Murakoze itaza kwicara ku mwanya wa shoferi yitware. Bebe barabibonye. Telefone.
Yes.
Yego.
Looks like Miss Dalton has brought Nelson James in.
Bisa nka wa mugore Dalton twahaye akazi yagiye kurokerita Nelson ngo amufashe mu kazi.
Do you have a problem with that?
Hari ikibazo amufashije se?
Well, there are those who
Muginga yarankubise. Nta kibazo barike.
play nice.
Wegira umwana mwiza. Turi ku ruhande rumwe nabo badukorere. Nabibonye uyu numwe yakubise ajya kuva mu kazi Nelson bakamwirukana muri CIA. Garije. Abana baje guhisha ikimodoka cyabo. Ibintu baza bagashyiraho by'ibiti ku buryo wagira ngo iyi si imodoka ni ishyamba. Hey, bana bagiye kwisha mu mashyamba arabizi ko Umurusiya ari kubahiga ngo abice. CIA nayo irabahiga ngo ibakoreshe cyane itabakoresha basi bica. Kimwe muri ibyo. Uyu mukobwa nk'umuntu uri kwita ku bandi bana yaraje atangira gutega za kamera hano ku buryo yagize ubinjirana mu mashyamba bamubona mbere atarabageraho.
Morning. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Bite. Karakeye.
How did you sleep?
Like I was drugged.
Wasinzira ute nk'uwaruzwe?
No.
Icyayi waduhaye cyadusinzirije cyane.
Last night?
Nanjye nuko. Nasinziriye nk'akabebe.
Thought everybody.
Ntabwo turi abanyamerwe kuba tubyutse.
It was valerian root, guys.
Nabahaye Valerian root.
It's totally natural and harmless.
Ni imiti itagira icyo itwara ubuzima ahubwo ituma abantu basinzira cyane.
Hypnotic. No?
Nabahaye icyayi kirimo imiti ituma musinzira mwari mukeneye kuruhuka.
From the FSB.
Abaruzi ngo basinzire neza. Dore amakuru nakuye mu biro by'ubutasi by'Abarusiya.
Wouldn't believe what I went through to get it.
Uzi ibyo nanyuzemo kugira ngo muri iyi gipapuro.
Friends.
Abandi bastajeri bagenzi bacu bari rero bivuze ngo ni benshi nagaraba gusa.
So you guys are the only ones who showed up, so
Nahamagaye bose narabandikiye nimwe mwaje gusa.
Internship.
Bishobora ko ari twebwe dusigaye abandi bapfuye.
Trafalgar 9.
Trafalgar 9.
What the hell is that?
Ibi bisobanuye iki? Herezo uyu.
Of this.
Ibi ni ibiki?
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Ibyo nibyo dushaka gusobanukirwa. Rebe, abona hano hariho imibare.
What?
Iki?
Number at the bottom.
Iyi mibare iri hasi.
270.
327
Be a routing number for a bank?
ishobora kuba ari nimero za banki.
And how do you know?
Ukaba ubizi ute?
Like I said,
Uko nababwiye.
with money.
Tumuhanga ku mafaranga.
Plus, I know 7 different ways to kill with my thumb.
Ikindi nzi n'uburyo bwo kwica abantu nkoresheje ibikumwe byanjye.
Any sort of slush fund or something?
Rebe,
Maybe it's not that much money.
ndabona ariko watera amafaranga menshi.
that not a lot of money?
Yeah, man, that's more than $1 million.
Uyu n'amafaranga arenga miliyoni y'idolari.
277,000.
Yego ni miliyoni imwe n'ibihumbi 270 na.
Exactly.
But he's right, though.
Aravuga ukuri.
It's actually
Ayo
not.
ntabwo ari amafaranga menshi.
If you're the
Cyane cyane ku bantu bakorana na CIA.
to unlimited funds.
Exactly.
Can you check the routing number, please?
Izi kode muturebere ni izihe banki? Ni imibare.
2270095.
2 batangira gukandakana kariya.
It's for United First Bank.
United First Bank muri New York.
New York?
Yo!
That's where we're going.
Aho niho tugiye muri New York kuri iyo banki. Kumva ishyamba barimo abicanyi baje. Wibuka Abarusiya bari bazi bano bana aho bari. rebe kamera zirababona.
Do you think they are?
They don't look friendly.
Bari abantu ntago basa nk'inshuti zacu. Abantu baza kudusura bafite imbunda mwambara inkweto. Dore ibikweto yambaye Yesu aterekamo. Urebe berekeri banzi baje bimeze biti.
Of course it is. The bigger the gun, the smaller the... Hey, come on.
Umuntu afite imbunda nini bisobanuye ko abafite ahita mucecekesha. Icyo yaragiye gukomeza avuga ariko muri kucyumva cyangwa batarajya kure. Telefone. Nelson barazire inshuti yanjye ya kera Vlad.
So, we're friends now.
Bivuze ngo turi inshuti.
The last time I saw you, you had a knife in my throat.
Ukomeruka kubona wari wamfatiye icyuma ku ngoto ushaka kunyica.
To kill me.
Nawe ariko washaka kunyica.
I don't take
Rero nago mbifata nkaho ari urwango rwihariye.
You were out.
Ariko twavuye mu kazi.
You're never really out.
Kano kazi kacu nta muntu ujya ukavamo.
Gonna do them a favor?
Hari umuntu waje kunsaba faveri rero naje kumufasha.
to mention favor.
Biratangaje ukuntu uvuga ngo faveri.
I did you a favor.
Nanjye nakugiriye faveri.
I let you live.
Ndakubabarira sinakwica.
You let me live.
Warandetse mbaho.
Remember it differently.
Genda byibuka bitandukanye.
Put it however you want.
Byagenze biti.
No more favor.
Ntakongera kukugirira faveri.
I have my order.
Nahawe itegeko ryo kukwica.
To do.
Kora icyo ufite gukora nshuti yanjye. Nibahura n'ukwicana. Bose n'abahanga mu byo bakora. Kandi abicanyi banyabo nimba barabonye. Kumba yisamenya aho bari. Cyagiye ubwo yakubitaga yanare muri restaurant.
Tell Vlad to call me.
Yire Vlad amamagari. Yamushyizeho agakurura amerekezo. Arabahamagaye agira ngo amenye amerekezo barimo. Uyu nguyu uri hano yantare yambaye akantu ka GPS kagaragaza aho bari. Aho uri kubakurikira. Umukino uratangiye. Yabaziye.
Split up
Tugiye gutandukana.
from both sides.
Twataka impande zombi. Tugire bataragira. Abarusiya barinjira ishyamba. Bunda barazifite. Karachnikov.
If any of us get separated, that's where we're meeting up. They're coming at us from the east and the west.
Batwatatse baturutse uburasirazuba n'uburengerazuba.
This right here, this paint,
Twebwe hano hari irangi rero.
follow, so you're gonna take the lead.
Niho tugiye guca.
Hey,
What?
Iki?
how come he gets to take the lead?
Kucyuri ari uyoboye.
Me in the back to take up the rear.
Yemba akeneye inyuma kugira ngo mubarindire.
Heavy.
Ibintu bigiye kuba binini cyane.
Very.
Kandi sinabikora njyenyine.
Sometimes bigger is better.
We rimwe na rimwe imbunda nini birenze wa muginga. Bano barapingana batangiye no guterana ibyuma kuva ninjoro. Rebe.
We head out to the snow.
Urabizi twerekere hari urubura.
Da.
Barakomeza. Yeah. Rebe. Katurori. Yeah. Kumbi. Tarajya kure.
Okay, ready.
Witegure. Witegure. 12 o'clock.
Got it.
Ndababona. Rebe. Gace gace. Yeah. Yeah. Hey! Sasu. Shiramo.
What's that?
Wonindi.
I don't know.
Simbizi.
Come
Ngwino.
Okay, let's get this van cleared.
Reka ino modoka tuyikure hano. Modoka tuyikure hano. Modoka rubanza bayikure ibyo bayikuraho. Bagabo bashe. Fire! Mujisho. Yarabumva yazanye sniper. Iduri imbunda ku mutwe. Fire! Bana nibahusha. Bana bato. Batojwe n'abashiramo. Jirano. Pakira ibintu byabo gace gace bihuse cyane. We. Bicanyi baje. Masasu baramurasa. Mutwe. Barawumena. Tugende. Tugende. Yeah. Shomeka mu modoka. Abicanyi baje. Yeah. sniper ari gutabara bano bana niyo misiyo ariho cyo ni igiki
Pressure on my big boy.
kugira ngo amaraso adakomeza kumeneka
Funny thing.
yasekeje bano baza kwihisha ari sniper sasu
Tuchoni paponia!
vuga ikirusiya cyuma ya munini wibuke yatubwiye ngo bamutoje kumva ibintu abandi batumva impamvu bonyiyumvisha isasu riri kuza kari kwepa abana ni amamashini kari abana nk'ibi filime batse imodoka berekere duyi bamusize ari imirambo gusa abanyamerika bamenye guto turi sasu yahindukiye abona yantari hari akantu yambaye ku ikote ariko yana ubona ikigoryi bagiteze ka GPS wakiguryiwe yantari mutwe ndawumenye twe yarawumenye uyu nawe yitacaho
You couldn't leave well enough alone. Could you, Nelson?
Nelson ntabwo wari kugenda wenyine kweri utanegeye abana rebe Nelson azano abika ibyo abika bano no baza guhisha imirambo yabo nyiri umupfungo niwe ufata hanuka CIA yahageze yasanze imirambo y'abarusiya rebe yeah.
Give me an update.
Mama
The whole place is a mess.
hano hose hari ibibazo gusa n'umwana
Russians got to the interns before we did.
abarusiya bageze ku bastajeri mbere ko tubageraho
Theory.
Back channel chatter also confirms that. Supposedly codename Phantom.
bisa nkaho Phantom ari wabikoze
Just don't know they're compromised.
na Catalyst bari kumwe
Get right into a shit show.
Listen, you find Catalyst.
ushaka Catalyst
Find the interns.
ushaka abastajeri
And the mole.
ushake n'umugambanyi watugambaniye akabwira abarusiya aho abana bari uvuze ngo hari umugambanyi ushobora kubabwira abarusiya aho abana bari niyo mpamvu mu Rusiya byamworoheye kumenya aho abastajeri bari bano bana bari kubita abastajeri barizwe na porogaramu yitwaga stage. Hey.
The only thing I've got for her is an address on the dark web. All the
Nshona mukuyeho na address za ya dark web bandikiranyeho kiye kuzikoherereza yego kwereka imodoka ya Jean yeah imodoka y'abana baje guparika hano dore ukuntu bahagarara ariko barinze wagira ngo barinze ikigo cya gisirikare nta guhagarara nk'abasivili bana bato cyane harimo n'uw'ibiryo byaje kurusha ubwenge
just enough ammo to take the edge off.
Bebe kubita ikindi gishinge gira bameze neza
I love you.
ndagukunda
What happened?
nakubwiye kuzankunda rega
What is it?
nibiki
Friend.
inshuti iratwandikiye
That's what they're calling themselves.
niko batangiye kwita ngo ni inshuti
Any idea who it could be?
uwo ninde waba utwandikiye ngo ni inshuti
There's someone on the ledge backing us up.
umuntu ushobora kumenya iyi email yacu atwandikiraho biratangaje
What I think.
sinzi icyo ntekereza
Let's find out.
reka tumenye n'indi ahita amuhamagara
Hello.
halo
Who are you?
urinde
I'm an ally.
duwo dufatanije
How can we trust you?
twakwizera gute
Do you really have any other options?
hari andi mahitamo se ufite bahise bahura muri iryo joro bashinze ibirindiro dore ukuntu bahagarara umwe muri metero 10 undi mu zindi veni undi muri 50 dore uburyo barebamo ni amamashini yica n'abana yese aza kubareba Nelson yamaze kwipanga akazi buri abantu barenga 5 iyo bateranye umuyobozi abagomba kuba barimo baba baramutoye cyangwa bataramutoye yese aza kureba umuyobozi wabo ko bigenda.
Hi.
What's your game?
Mikino yawe ni iyihe?
My name is Nelson Beatty.
Banyita Nelson Beatty. Ruwa CIA?
No, not anymore.
Ntago nkiyirimo.
Unceremoniously retired several.
Navuye muri CIA imyaka myinshi ishize.
Why?
Kubera iki?
I knocked out my boss.
Nakubise ingumi boss wanjye.
Trust me, he deserved it.
Gusa yarabikwiriye.
Great. Well, 1 point for you.
Icyo ni igitego kimwe utsinze.
But I just don't get why.
Ariko sinumva impamvu.
Why did they send you?
Nimba barakwirukanye muri CIA kuki bakohereje kuri twe?
They didn't send me.
Ntago CIA yari inyohereje.
Your mother did.
mama wawe ni unyohereje. Uyaraseka mama. Ngira mama se nawe ngira.
You cloned in a lab.
Se wakorewe muri laboratoire niho bakuremeye nta nyo kugira.
Being has a mother.
Kiremwa muntu kiba cyarabyawe n'umugore.
But whoever my mother was, I never met her. It was raised.
Mama wanje wari wese simuzi narezwe na stage.
I was briefed.
Barabimbwiye nabyo.
Your mother was 17 when she got pregnant.
Yoko yari afite imyaka 17 ubwo yakubyaraga. Abasaza bageze muri imyaka niko bavuga ntago yakubwira ngo mama wawe ni akantu k'agafaransa akubwira mu kinyarwanda. Nyoko ubwo yari afite imyaka 17 yarakubyaye yaragutwite.
Family kicked her out.
Famiye yiramwirukana mu rugo.
No home.
Nta rugo yari afite, no mafaranga yari afite yo kukurera.
She was desperate.
Atumutwe
For adoption.
Agutanga muri oruferina.
She joined the military.
Arangije yigira mu gisirikare.
She was guaranteed somewhere to sleep.
Mu gisirikare bamubwira ko bazamuha icyo kurya aho kuryama.
Discovered she was quite good at it.
Babona n'umuhanga mu bya gisirikare.
To the CIA.
CIA ibonye ari umuhanga yita imutwara.
Now, her mission
misiyo ya mama wawe
is to bring you
kukujyana muri CIA niyo bamutumyeho.
Reached out to you, why?
Mama wanjye kuki yakunyuzeho?
Yeah, okay, the two of you. Got it.
Mise mbyumva nakubwoyeho na mama ha. Nyine tubyumva kuba mama bamutumye akazi akajya kureba undi mugabo badafite icyo bapfana akamutuma mu kazi. Kuki mama ari weho yanyuzeho se nguzo unshake? Yamubaje icyo kibazo ahita anyuza nako ndabyumva ubwo. We na mama harashyaga nicyo nyine bavuze ariko mujye mwumva.
What you should get is the CIA once you bought in.
CIA iragushaka ko bakuzana uri muzima.
The Russians want to kill you.
Abarusiya bagashaka ukwica.
You've just witnessed.
Wanabyiboneye mu kanya bakurasaga.
I put a tracker on one of the.
Wamenye gutaho turi hari umurusiya nayo nashizeho tracker. Tracking device.
Next question. I don't know how they found you.
Ahubwo sinzi abarusiya bo bamenye gutahura. Bivuze ngo hari umugambanyi muri twe.
Now the Russian that is hunting you.
Abarusiya umurusiya uri kuguhiga. Yitwa Vlad Korikachevo.
He's very good.
Umuhanga.
He would have found you on his own.
Niyo haba nta mugambanyi urimo yamenya aho uri akaguhiga.
All right.
Okay.
So, what do you think I should?
None rero nkora iki?
I propose you go meet your mother.
Ndagira ngo uzujye guhura na nyoko.
I'll take you to her.
Ndagushira nyoko. Niko bavuga.
Comfortable. And you walk away.
Yumva utabyishimiye wigendere.
All right.
Sawa.
Set it up.
Tegura umuhuro muhure na mama.
Lying to me, you're dead.
Nitsanga umbeshyira umupfu.
Let's try to avoid that, shall we?
Reka tugerageze kwirinda gupfa mwana muto.
Meet your mom.
Tujye guhura na nyoko.
Park your car, we're taking yours.
Pakira imodoka yawe turatwara iyanjye. Kanara.
Ma'am.
Yego mabuja. Musaza ari mu kana buryo kama amategeko. Garuke Albany muri New York niho tukiri. Durukura ibyana bimureba ariko ibi byana biza abantu nishe. Bino byana bishobora kuba ari ibyicanye ariko umusaza nk'usaziye muri CIA aba yarisha abantu.
Show.
Mumwereke. Abanza baramwereka. Baramwereka.
So, you're planning to rob.
Muri gupanga kwiba banki.
Not quite.
Oya ntabwo dushaka kwiba banki. Bamwereka ifata gisaza mwabyana mwe namwe mbongere kubonishe. Muri umuntu mukuru wese nuzajya ubona umuntu mukuru imyaka 40-50 ujye umenye ko uwo muntu imyaka agezemo ashobora kuba yarahemukiye abantu benshi yarambuye benshi yarishe benshi ntago wageze iyo myaka utarakora icyaha kinini. Keretse nkatwe tuba twaririnze turi muri 50 tukiri inyanga mugayo.
FSB headquarters in Moscow.
Cyo ni igipapuro nakuye ku cyicaro gikuru cya FSB.
Is a routing number.
Iyi ni nimero yo muri First Union Bank.
Coordinates to the New York City branch.
Korodone cyangwa se tuganisha muri New York.
Nicely done.
It was nothing.
Bebe.
That last bit. Trafalgar 9.
Trafalgar 9.
What's that?
Cyo ni igice.
We were hoping that you could tell us that.
Twari tuzi ko ari wowe wabidusobanurira.
No. I can't.
Ntago nshobora.
Your guess is as good as mine.
Uko mukeka ibintu nanjye niko mbiketse.
There you go.
Akiri impapuro ariko wakigabo ntago uri kutubeshya dore ukuntu u Rwanda rumureba. Ibyana ni ibigome. Kiba kikurira kivuga ati wakoze ikosa nka kwica koko. Azi ko buri hari abantu babayeho mwe mutajya mumenya. Mwe murabona murahubukama mushaka kwenderanya ku bantu mubagirire nabi. Mubavuge mubahemukire mubambure. Hari abantu babayeho babatega iyo mitego avuga ati yamba bari yakamvuga nabi nkabona ukuntu niyicira umuntu. Bega barwana no kugira ngo hagire umuntu mutsitaraho. Namwe mukagenda mutsitara ku bantu munabiyenzaho. Kuko nasha muri indangare. Abantu nabagome. Byana bivayo. Yesu ukuntu mba maze igihe nabona umuntu nyiyenzaho ngo nkwereke utuntu nikorera. Byana bivayo. Ubu basanze hano. Bararebana.
Hi, Mom.
Bite mama Mary. Barasika. Bose nabicanye na mama n'umwica.
How am I supposed to know you are who you say you are?
Ese ndabwirwa n'iki kuri uvuga kuri we?
You don't?
Ntabwo ari ngombwa ubimenye.
But whether I'm your mom or not, I still got...
Naba ndi mama wawe naba ntari mama wawe ngomba kukurinda.
Safe.
Kumurinda.
Won't you respect
Mu cyubahiro byawe wa mugore we.
keep the world safe from
Ahubwo uturinde isi. Ndagira ngo mva amagambo y'ibi byana. Ngo mwabana mwe ngo ngomba kubarinda. Abana bati uturinda ahubwo urinde isi uyiturinde tutayimara.
You think I don't know that?
Urakeka ibyo ntago mbizi.
All right, so what now?
Sawa dukora iki? Bebe, bakiraho. Hari zahise ziza zihuse cyane. Bana barikanga. Abakozi ba CIA bahise baza.
What's he doing here?
Arakora iki hano?
I don't know.
Ntago mbizi umuhamagaye.
Dick Jones,
Mazina yanjye ni Dick Jones.
the director of...
Deputy Director of Operations wa CIA.
I have orders to bring the...
Amategeko yo kubajyana mwebwe muri assets zacu. Assets niko babita nyine bari CIA ikoresha babita assets.
We're not going anywhere.
Ahantu tujya.
People in line, Catalyst. We're here to help you.
Catalyst turi hano kugufasha. Abantu banjye.
Get this, mister.
Reka ngubwire mister.
Nobody's people.
Twe nta muntu n'umwe turuwe. CIA yitwita ngo turi ibikoresho byayo. Twe turigenga.
Really?
Koko.
And what are you?
Muri ibiki se?
We're interns.
Turi abastageri. Sasu. Murusiya yahageze. Murusiya yahageze. Masasu aratangira. Bana basubiranamo na CIA. CIA ntabwo bashaka kuyikorera. Bimeze bite? Masasu. Cover me. Do. Fire. Ready. Masasu. Reba filime witonze. Gasobanura films.com. Vigikopo. Che. Baby. Che. Njira mu modoka. Chingana. We niba bacike. Niba bacike. Bana bitwatse modoka. Dick Jones azano. Je. Meke modoka. Niba ducike. Niba ducike. Kurikira abana. Baby. Yeah. Arakurikira. Yeah. Chuga. Baby.
God damn it!
Skegari we. Barasigaye.
What bloody hell was that?
Bira byari ibiki. Akurino. Murusiya bamurashe. Yaramufata.
You die before you touch that.
Nushaka gukora ku mbundura futarayikoraho. Kuki uri guhiga abana?
Question is,
Kibazo ni
who can you trust?
wakwizera ndi.
Question is,
Kibazo cyanjye ni
how'd you know where we were gonna be?
wamenye gute aho twari tugiye guhurira? Ninde muntu uri kutugambanira akabwira abarusiya aho tugiye guhurira?
Calling this in.
Itamagara. Hamagaye ku cyicaro cya CIA. Hamagara Fandi.
Your deputy director shows up.
Deputy Director wawe aje arasa abana. Ninde watangiye arasa?
First shot came from...
Sniper wari uri hafi yaho
You
turi.
were working with Dick Jones?
Uwo musniper ari gukorana na Dick Jones ko mbikeka.
As everyone else.
Ariko yadutunguye.
You're trying to kill the interns.
Definitely.
Bivuze ngo arusha kwica abana. Ndaje muri nona.
Someone set us up.
Hari umuntu waduteza agatego. Yaba ari weho.
Dignify that with an answer, Agent.
Ntago ari njyewe.
I can make this real hard on you, Vlad.
Vlad ngiye kukugora. Subize. Ninde uri kutugambanira?
Americans,
Abanyamerika.
you have no idea what hard is
Yes, ntago muzi ijambo gukomera uko rimera.
trained by the legal nicety.
Kubera kugendera mu bintu byo kwigira abana beza
Bon.
n'indangagaciro.
I wouldn't.
Baye ndi wese nabikora. Fashe imbunda umugabo aramumena. Ahita amumena. Ninde uri kugambana? Uri kuvuga aho abana bari? Aho amakuru abarusiya. Abana baje hano. Bebe. Byabacanze.
Let me see your wound.
Kandi bigikomere cyawe.
I'm fine.
Meze neza bamurashe. Okay.
We can't trust anyone.
Ubu nta muntu n'umwe dufite wo kwizera.
We need to get to the city and we need to get to the bank.
Tujye mu mujyi tujye muri iyo bank.
But there's something we gotta deal with.
Hari ikintu ariko tugomba kubanza twitaho.
What's that?
Cyo ni igiki?
Someone here is a mole.
Muri twe harimo umugambanyi.
That sniper shot came from a Russian agent.
sniper warashe ni umu agent w'abarusiya
Now, he's found us twice.
inshuro ebyiri zose amenya aho turi
Sure, maybe the guy's good, but twice?
ni umuhanga mu kudushaka ariko si inshuro ebyiri gute yamenya aho turi
He's that good.
nta muhanga gutyo rata yego
Everyone get out of the van.
mwese musohoke mu modoka muri twe harimo umugambanyi umukobwa aza hano
Can be any one of you.
ni umwe muri mwe
Rubicon, I think it's really convenient your car
bose yabasohoye mu modoka baketse ko harimo umugambanyi
any one of you.
umugambanyi ashobora kuba ari uwo ari wese muri mwe
Really convenient your car explodes right.
gute wasohotse mu modoka ubundi ikabona guturika buriya si uko bari bakurabuye gukeka utangiye gukeka bamenye
It's not you're accusing me.
mu bibazo byose twanyuranye muri kunkeka
Tree or something.
ariko wasaze
Going out with your tea.
apothecary
Blend everyone.
we ujya uroga n'abantu mu cyayi
Calling on you.
udusinziriza wahamagaye ndi rya joro baramubonye ari kuri telefone
What are you talking about? I didn't call anyone.
nta muntu n'umwe nahamagaye daga uhora kuri telefone wandika uba wandikira abandi daga ngahora kuri fone yandika aba yandikirana n'andi
Hi.
bite
Who are you texting? I'm not texting.
nta muntu mba nandikira mba ndi gukina video game
In connection.
They put me with a Russian attaché working in Philadelphia who loved to gamble.
bebe
Bullshit. It wasn't my choice where they placed
And
me.
Caliber. You seemed real interested in what was in my bag.
wowe teko uri mu gikapu cyanjye rigeze gusangamo washakagamo iki
I thought it was mine.
naketse ko ari icyanjye
If I didn't,
ibikapu byacu birasa
how could you even?
Identical. They're completely.
ibikapu byanyu birasa
I always had that.
bebe batangira gusubiranamo
I can't even lie.
turi gusubiranamo yeah
Phone's out.
muzane telefone zanyu
Give them.
muzikuremo imfunguzo muzime ubwo ni imfunguzo ni kode
Now.
mubikore nonaha
You're ridiculous.
Come on, give him here.
ndamuhereza
What's going on?
Man, how you gonna lock me up with him, man?
bebe fata telefone zabo zirebe marebe bandikirana na bande arebe n'indi ugambana muri bo
Meeting in an Airbnb in
ngo
upstate.
ture muri Airbnb
I'm here.
aho tugiye kurara
These coordinates. Meeting.
tugiye kohereza korodone
Sending.
tugiye guhura na mama wa Catalyst hari uwanditse message
Rubicon's the most.
Rubicon ni umugambanyi
Nope.
oya
It's yours.
iyi telefone ni yawe niwe wanditse woherereza abantu aderesi za aho turi bamukura amenyo mukura amenyo nyamunini
Shut up.
uretse
Where'd you grow up?
wakuriye he
And remember, I'm the one who's seen your father.
wibuke ko rerebye amadosiye yawe
I grew up in Moscow.
nakuriye Moscow mu Burusiya
There was a sign took me to Russia.
njya gukora no mu Rusiya
Working for the
muri
rest.
Philadelphia
Not. The guy was a rat.
uyu niwe maneko
Find us.
And every
Vlad yamenye aho turi gute
he said it.
Stop lying.
iryo zina rya Vlad rimenye murifuza urabeshya
What do the Russians have planned?
abarusiya bari kudupangira iki
Maybe he was.
It was you. I knew
yari
it.
weho
Traitor.
uri umugambanyi kiriruka bahita bamumena isamurasa
Fucking rat.
ni maneko wani
He was obviously lying.
Yeah, we needed intel from him.
twari kubanza tukamukuramo amakuru yandi ariko mbere yo kumurasa maneko iyo mumufashe ntabwo mumwica mumukuramo amakuru y'ibindi bamutumye n'ibindi yatanze
You know what?
yari umwe muri twe
He's not.
nyine ubu ntabwo akiri umwe muri twe yapfuye
Great. Come on. Moron.
yeah.
You're digging the hole.
niwe uri bucukure umwombo tumuhambamo niwo mwishe
So, what's next?
Next, we take a family trip to the bank.
bebe baje kureba ya banki uruka hari imibare babonye baravuga ati ishobora kuba ariyo kuri banki
This should be it.
Check it out.
zano
Excuse me, did this used to be a bank?
ese kano kabantu kanyu kahoze ari banki yahoze ikorera hano
This place has been
simbizi
here.
maze nk'imyaka 2 dukorera
So, been working here since it started. Think it was a bar before this? Hasn't been a bank for
zano
years.
hano hantu habaga banki kera
Oh, black coffee. You mean a short? I mean a small.
atuma ko kunywa
Thank you.
umukecuru umenyereye karitsiye.
Is Trafalgar 9?
Ijambo Trafalgar 9 risobanuye iki?
Trafalgar 9.
Trafalgar 9.
I don't know, maybe a store on the street.
Ushobora kuba ari nk'inimero y'umuhanda, iduka.
That I can remember.
Simbyibuka.
Do you mean the old phone exchange?
Ariko nanone kera.
What? I don't know what a phone exchange is.
Twabikoreshaga nko kugurana telefone.
Once upon a time,
Kera,
before area
mbere yuko bashyiraho nimero z'ibice runaka,
to represent the first two numbers on
hari
the
imibare bashyiraga iranga ibice by'ahantu.
logo stood for
Trafalgar byabaga bihagarariye Tiara.
BT was
BT byari 8,
R was
R ubwo yari 7, Trafalgar 9 ubwo
Nine,
yaba ari 8 7 9.
879.
Icyo byabisobanuye.
Is that exchange in this neighborhood?
Gusa muri karitsiye ntago iyo mibare yaharangaga.
There was another branch of the bank.
Hari irindi shami ry'iyi banki ryabaga Uptown.
Thank you.
Reka bariho tujya. Hey. Baje Uptown.
Yeah, this is where the other branch of the bank was located.
Hano ni irindi shami ryakoreraga.
Yeah, except it looks like it's been closed.
Urebe.
How many?
Baje Uptown ubwo bari Midtown.
Years.
Hari Downtown.
I'm not so sure about that.
Zakorino kureba hano ni banki itagikora.
It's a schematic drawing
Hano ni igishushanyo cy'inyubako.
where the travel agency was located.
Hano niho iyo travel agency yakorera. Si ibintu byose biri online.
What planet have you been living on?
Cyane.
Okay, so let me guess. There is like a secret basement.
Hano hantu reba nimba hashobora kuba harimo nka basement hasi.
The schematic.
Hano ku gishushanyo ntayiriho.
Thing is,
Igitangaje
this building pays a
iyi nyubako nubwo itagikorerwamo ariko buri kwezi yishyura fagitire nyinshi y'amashanyarazi menshi bakoresha. Aha niho twashakaga. Inzu itagikora gute yishyura amashanyarazi menshi buri kwezi ngo nk'ay'uruganda.
Something's not right.
Hari ikintu kitameze sawa.
You guys feel that?
Yeah,
Uri kubyumva?
we're being watched.
Bimeze nk'aho bari kutureba. Abana baratojwe ku buryo babyimvamo iyo hari umuntu uri kubareba babyimvamo ati nyamara bimeze nk'aho bari kutureba.
All right, well,
Kumbe hari kamera iri kubakurura.
whatever's in there is probably what we've been looking for, so I don't know about y'all, but I'm going.
Njye sinzi ibyanjye ariko ngiye kwinjiramo.
We're interns.
We turi abastajeri tubyibuke. Fata chance. Ni abastajeri. Kubera abastajeri barabibyimbira kuko umustajeri yabaga yaratojwe. Ni porogaramu babakoreye yo kubita ngo n'abastajeri ku myaka 3 5 bari barabatangiye kubigisha kwica. Kuri 2 bagombaga kuba bamaze kwica abantu byibura nk'icumi ku myaka 2. Abana babazanye ari iminja baza kubatoza kwica. Urabona ariko bana bazana.
We're still being watched.
Turacyari kurebwa.
Got an idea.
Mfite igitekerezo.
Do it.
Bikore. Taza ku mashina kanda kana kariye. Yeah. CIA barayihakinga. Barayihakinze batangira abari baga abantu batangira kubona ibi.
I don't think I'll ever get bored of doing that.
Urebe.
According to this old architect's drawing, there should be a staircase.
Hano hantu nkurikije igishushanyo bisa nkaho hakagombye kuba hari esikariye. Yeah.
There.
Yo.
Gisiriya. Yo. Urebe.
Suit up.
Gira. Yeah. Urebe. Bana bakuraho imbunda zabo. Kuraho igikoresho. Mubinjiye nako bahi. Abana bashyiramo. Ibi filime. Izano. Rugera rwica. Harimo inzira imanuka hasi. Shiran. Yeah.
Hey.
We. iba hakurya. Kanda hano shyiramo ya mibare bari bafite babonye ku rupapuro, bagishyiramo imibare hano harafunguka. Bakwiye kuvugurura systeme z'umutekano wabo kuko biroroshye kubinjirira.
Here we go.
Yeah. Lift bagiyemo yarabamanuye. Manura hasi. Aba baba hakinze bari kubona ikigo ry'ikibato. Hari ahantu hamwe bashobora kuba bagiye. Tujye kureba n'icyo bari gushaka. Dore aho binjiye.
They're not trying to keep anybody out.
Yeah, no. It's designed to keep people in.
Bisa nk'abaturutse hanze uyu muryango utababuza kwinjira. Ahubwo barimo imbere nibo bashaka ko badasohoka. Uze no muryango uri hanze ushobora gukingura ukinjira. Bitakugoye ahubwo barimo imbere bisa nkaho badashaka ko basohoka. Kizemo hano. Bana b'abajene bakiri bato. Bagezemo hano babona amakana. Nagari kamwe ni twinshi. Harimo ubwana bwinshi. Nyagasani. Ubwana buto. Gambaye imyeru.
Interns.
Nabo ni interns, nabo ni abastajeri we. Nabo n'ubwana bari kwigisha kwica. Bino bigoriki. Fata abana bato bikabigisha kwica. Bikabagira imashini zica. Ku buryo ku myaka ibiri ubwo ntago mwakabaye mwajana. Imiryango ita iyiboroka. Hari ikinga. Abana bakuramo udutambaro. Muri filime.
Nap time.
Nap time. Yotsi tivana amasaha yo gusinzira. Amasaha yo kuryama. Bebe, mufunga iminwa yanyu nimuhumeka ibi bintu. Bahise bakubitamo ibyotsi. Inyabaje mu masaha yo gusinzira we. Bakubise ibyotsi. Basanze mu twana duto turi kwigishwa kwica abantu. Katurore. Yeah. Yeah. Baby. Akunino. Yeah. Wa mwotsi wasinzirizaga icyaje cyaragukuruye kirawukurura. Yeah. Afanda rinjira Dix.
That was
taravuga. Bundi nyuma. Bundi nyuma harutasinziriye. Harutasinziriye. Hariho biriya bintu bidakoraho. Kumbe hano harofasha utuntu. Hano hari uwigize umuganga umwe ujye batekera ibyayi bibasinziriza burundu, afite n'imiti ikangura abantu. Afite abana n'abatekinisi. Bana barabyuka. Director operations muri CIA.
I didn't know that was part of your training.
Ntago rero ibintu byo babigutoje kudasinzirizwa n'imiti. Wayigishaga yambwiye ko bintu bishobora kuzamfasha umunsi umwe. Babimutoje afite imyaka 5.
You breathe.
Cyo gihe baramubwiraga ngo nuhumeka urapfa. Bano bana batubwiye ngo bari ku rwego rwo kuba yamara iminota 10 atarahumeka. Muri bande.
We're CIA.
Turi CIA. Kimwe namwe. Ntago turi CIA nawe ntago uri CIA.
Company doesn't know what you're doing.
Company nta n'ubwiza ibyo uri gukora kuri gutoza abana.
No.
Yego CIA ntago izi ko ntoza utwana duto.
Making this country a safer place.
Ariko igihugu ndashaka kukigira kiza kurushaho.
There's always that one person.
Iteka hari umuntu mu mateka.
These things that others don't.
Ubona ibintu abandi batabona.
A new breed of intern.
Twaremye ubwoko bushya bw'aba intern.
Program. Unlike you lot, this batch is next.
Gusoba tandukanye namwe bano bana bo barenze mwe.
Together.
Bo tubarerera hamwe. Mwe mu gihe babatozaga umwe ku giti cye.
Of your strengths and none of your.
Intege nke zanyu nazo bafite, ariko bafite imbaraga nyinshi zanyu n'umurengera.
But we've taken his idea.
Watangije kino gitekerezo Brian.
And they will protect.
Yari umuhanga. Bano bana turi kubakora kugira ngo bazarinde igihugu. Bahise binjira. Imbunda zabo. Bibe filime. Bagabo bafata imbunda ku buryo ubona ko ari aba professionnel. isigaye n'ukuri ku isasu bakakwica.
No, I'm not just handing over the asset.
Umva ntago ngiye nabareka ngo mugende barana abana.
You of all people should know.
Ntago ari abana kandi ibyo mwakabaye mubizi. Barana abastajeri ntago ari abana. Warafangiwe. Ntago ari abana n'abastajeri.
Be smart.
Gira ubwenge. Bagabo dore uburyo bafashemo imbunda ari kurabona. N'amaboko yombi. Ku buryo ari mu cyico. Rimwe. Mama. Mama yageze. Tega mugenzi we. Bagabo barabangutse. CIA. Fire. Bano bose nirwanya. Batojwe n'ikigo kimwe. Urebe. Basubiranyemo. Umugabo itamanuka. Tamanuka. Yaramukurikira. Gace gace ntago ugenda. Iyi filime. Iyo. Ban. Fire. Ko na yeza yari do. Fire. SWAT. Arinjira. Urebe. Turi mbunda. Mwana arabumva. Arababara. Ugiye gushyiraho magazine. Nyuma yabo. Fire. 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 Mama we. Filime ko nayizanye ariko kugasomane films.com. Do. We na mama. Urango ni mama we.
Mom.
Urakoze mama. Wibivuga. Ntago bibafasheho bose.
Where's Dick?
Dick ari hehe? Dick ari hehe?
Where's Nelson?
Nelson ahubwo ari hehe yamukurikiye? Nelson yakurikiye nde? Dick. Uyu mugabo ngo yitwa nde?
Dick. Drop.
Shira hasi Dick. Shira imbunda hasi.
Yeah.
Namwe ni mubyara abana ariko mujye muyita tuno tuzina twiza.
You miss me?
Waronkumbuye.
Well, you just gonna shoot me now?
Nta kuri bunda se. Aya ntago nkurasa. Buriya kurasa umuntu abapfuye yihuse. Umuntu ugomba kumukubita igipfunzo ukamukurira iryinyo ukabiserebura ukamukuramo ijisho ukabiserebura. Buriya umurasho mumwihutishirije urupfu. Uyu ishaka kumwiba ngo gikure imbunda. Namwirukanye muri CIA bamuziza gukubita ikigoryi ngumire ngo kubitire rimwe banyirukanishije mu kazi. Yege. Bose baratoshwe. Bose nibamane ku CIA bose indwanyi. Gusa sibura bigiye hamwe ngo banganye ubwenge. Mvugana n'umwana akaba wa mbere ukaba wanyu. Bose na CIA ariko imikubitire ntago yagera ku rwego rumwe. Bose basobanura filime imwe ariko ntago baba babyumva kimwe cyangwa babivuge kimwe. Kuya amenyo. Baby,
You would just love to kill me, wouldn't you?
Ni buryo rwo no kuyicarika mukurira iginyeri gipfunse ubona ukabona.
I'd rather you run prison.
Genda bona wo kwica wajya kufungwa muri gereza ukagifungwa imyaka yose unekereza. Umuntu nk'uyu bamufunga imyaka myinshi. Wipanga akaza gafata abana bato utwe. Abana batakajya kubagira imashini CIA tamuhaye uburenganzira.
I guess you were right.
Ahari wafuze ukuri.
I did want to kill you.
Nashakaga kukwica nuko narindi kubeshya mvuga ngo bagufunge. Akora umuntu abashaka kugufunga ariko akavuga ati yarwanyije inzego gato nkakwereka. Arwanyije inzego. Ararangiye. Agent Dalton.
Putting you in charge to clean this mess.
Kwishyira umuyobozi ugomba gukemura bino bibazo.
Our program is kept under our supervision.
Aba bana tujye dora tubacunze.
Where we go from here, right?
Rebe hagiye ukurikira iki?
Want Nelson to work with me
Ndashaka gukorana na Nelson.
if he wants to.
Nimba ariko abishaka. Hari uwishimira se kujya guteka amandazi ku muhanda yakaba yicaye muri CIA.
I want her by my side every step of the way.
Kandi umukobwa wanjye tugomba gukorana kugira ngo twite ku bandi bana.
No one will understand them.
Kuko nta wundi muntu wakumva bano bana kumurusha. Umukobwa wanjye tugomba gukorana.
Yeah.
Cyane.
When I agree to this, I have some demands of my own.
Kandi nanjye mfite ibindi byo kubasaba.
So they're gonna live normal
Mbere na mbere bano bana bagomba kuba ubuzima busanzwe.
parties and
Bakajya bagira ibirori bakabiserebura bakagira televiziyo.
No.
Nta kubakubita.
I have no problem with birthday parties or TV. In fact, let them go out on dates.
but we can save the
Bakajya banasohokana bakajya guteretana.
Fine.
Nta kibazo.
Do we have a deal?
Turumvikanye. Giye gukorana.
Yeah.
Great.
sawa bagiye kubaho nk'abandi bantu bose basanzwe.
She reports into you, and you report.
Uyu mukobwa azajya kuri potinga nawe mbere raporo.
Yes, sir.
Sibyo yego nyakubahwa.
Done. Okay.
Akazi kaba karangiye kandi CIA ntabwo ari ngombwa ngo bakuzanire amakontaro ubwo akazi kaba karangiye kari. K'amafaranga yose baba yabona.
We got a lot of years to make up for.
Ntabwo byabijoro rimwe ariko turacyafite imyaka myinshi yo kugira ngo tugaruze imyaka yose tutabanye.
Give me a chance.
Nta mahirwe nongere nkwiyereke ko naba mama. Sawa gake gake.
With these kids we do together.
Ibyo tuzajya dukorana njye nawe naba bazajya baba bahari. Niba bishaka ariko.
I'd like that.
Byaba ari sawa. Mbega babonye mama na papa.
What do we do next?
Tugiye kurikizaho iki rero?
I mean, I'm sure there's a position for...
Cheka mwese ari umwanya wanyu w'akazi.
After all, we're in...
Ibuke ko twese turaba stagiaire, turi famille. Yeah.
Everybody interns 130.
Bose bashyize hano.
No.
Bose ni aba stagiaire.
Be a cute moment, though.
Yeah.
I think we should.
Kano kanya ni keza.
Moment.
Bwarakeye.
You did well, Phantom.
Phantom wakoze neza. Phantom ninde?
Knew we could rely on you.
Nari mbizi ko dukwiye kukwishingikirizaho.
Some things are a long time in the...
Hari ikintu tumaze igihe kinini turi gutegura.
You showed great patience.
Gusa wagaragaje kwihangana.
I tell you that your country is
Reka nkubwire ko igihugu cyawe gitewe ishema nawe. Mama we!
longer, but we
Wa mugore ni umugambanyi. Mama wa mwana.
time. I just want to say
Ndashaka kubwira yuko
I wish you much success.
ndakwifuriza intsinzi muri uwo mwanya CIA bagushizemo. Ni kuriya bakora. Bano bagabo niko bakora, bano bitwa ngo ni FSB cyangwa bano barusiya. Bafata umwana bakamushyira muri Amerika agakora ari umunyamerika agakurira muri CIA. Ku buryo nka nyuma y'imyaka 30 bazaza kumubwira ngo tangira ukora inshingano zawe noneho tunekere. Urebe. Mama w'umwana wo CIA yizeye ngo yite kuri bari abastageri. Niwe mugambanyi mukuru. Nyagasani. Niwe mugambanyi mukuru. Avayo. Kurana n'abarusiya. Yaje hano. Niwe wagambanaga kiriya gihe cyose. Niwe yaracyumva. Bavuga ikirusiya ntago nyumva. Bivuze ngo barakorana. Mama n'umwana n'abarusiya pire. Bikaba gusubiza inyuma imyaka 20 uko byagenze rero.
No, I see.
Nazebe. Uyu mugore barakwereka. Bamuhaye gahunda imyaka 20 ishize.
Best that you speak English.
Ni byiza ko watangira kuvuga icyongereza.
Rational that
Uzajya uvuga ikirusiya.
we will take care of you.
Tuzakwitaho n'umukobwa utwite.
Roll her in the...
Umwana we navuga uzashaka ukuntu azinjira akajyanwa muri bari abastageri. Umugore yagiye muri Amerika twite abyara umwana nk'uruhinja amwohereza mu bastageri.
Take her to the...
Uyu mwana mumujyane muri stage muzine wamwizaniye. Umwana baramutegereje. Byose byari imipangu y'abarusiya. Nagakino bakinnye Nyagasani. Umwana akiri uruhinja bamwinjije mu bastageri. Umwana uziga kumva uburibwe.
Tears are for the weak.
Amarira n'ay'abanyantege nke.
2 more minutes.
Usigaranye iminota 2. Umwana baramutuje kugira ngo nakura azabe kuneka abanyamerika nekera baki. Mama we yabaga hari hafi aho. Umwana wanjye barabanye kuva kera. Bakavuga ikirusiya. Mama yamubaye hafi burya bwose we. Uzajya utuma bumva uburibwe ufite. Ntukajye ubereka icyo utekereza cyangwa icyo wiyumvamo. Ujye wibuka ibyo nakubwiye byose. Urakomeye. Urakomeye Nyagasani.
And I promise that I will always find a way to...
Kandi teka nzajya nshaka uburyo bwo kugira ngo nkugereho. Nyagasani. Mama.
Well done, daughter.
Mwana wanjye umubyeyi yabyaye umwana bamaneko ku myaka 5 kuzamuka ari maneko. Bamutoza kuba imashini yica. Turashize. Ibi byose byari akagambane. Byari byarapanzwe. Uyu mwana ni maneko. Urusiya tayari yamaze kugera muri CIA. Bagiye kukunekera Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika mama n'umwana mama. Bashke. Iyo bari kumwe bivugira ikirusiya gusa. Bivuze ngo Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika zigushije ishano kuko mama n'umwana tayari bamaneko babo bamaze kubageramo ndetse bahawe amaposte n'imyanya yo hejuru. mutazacikwa n'igice cya kabiri. CIA izabavumbura. Ushaka kureba igice cya kabiri kugura abonema ku gasobanurifilms.com wishyura 7,000 byonyine ku kwezi n'4,000 ku cyumweru. Ciao ciao.